My name is Joey, and I'm here to share some very unique and extremely helpful material with you about lower body cellulite reduction in the legs, buns, hips, and thighs. So if you have any bumps, dimples, or uneven skin in those areas, or any part of these areas, then you're in the right place. In this video, you'll discover a powerful, yet simple method to destroy the cellulite on your butt, hips, thighs, and legs within the next 28 days, leaving you with a smooth, tight, and sexy lower body. And you'll also get the swimsuit model secret of how to keep it that way forever. This video is only going to be posted for a very short time, so watch it while you can, because I've never given away this much free cellulite reduction material before, and you will not find this anywhere else, I promise you that. There are 3 easy principles that you need to know. Everything else is totally unnecessary and is just going to lead you to more frustration, anger, and problems, which you do not need. Here are the 3 critical principles you must know. 1. You must know why you have cellulite and what it is. 2. You must know what makes it worse. And 3. You must know the only proven way to get rid of it. These 3 crucial principles are simple, and I'm going to show you each of them in just a moment. Here's what you can expect once you put this into use. Your skin is getting tighter within 7 to 10 days, and the dimples and bumps are starting to fade. After that, you'll see continued smoothing and tightening of your skin on your butt, hips, thighs, and legs with each passing week. I'll remind you, these are typical results, and this is what you should plan on seeing yourself. Now, as you watch the remainder of this video, which is only a few more minutes, you will know the precise method to eliminate your cellulite starting today. Now, before I give you access so you can get started, I just want to share 3 quick but inspiring success stories from a few women who've already defeated their cellulite problem. The first one is from Sonia T. from New Zealand. She writes, "Hello, Joey and team. I just wanted to say that I've been doing the program for about 4 weeks, 3 to 4 times a week, and have noticed serious cellulite reduction already. I'm not a big person, 61 kilograms, and I'm about 5'4", but I was unhappy with the way my lower body was heading. The cellulite was getting worse and worse. Your targeted program means I can now slip into my cutest and sexiest outfits that I am happiest in, and I'm getting compliments on my buns and thighs as my shape has changed for the better. This is wonderful as I am 59 years old," and she quotes, "Eek." As you might imagine, I tried some weird and expensive things before finding you, and I have paid heaps in the past for a gym membership, but never again. Just keep doing what you do, Joey. My sincerest and deepest thanks, Sonia.